going to be showing you how to download and install Norton on a MacBook device. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. You just need to make sure that you have a browser that you have opened. Go to your launchpad and search for Safari. After you're here, just search for Norton and press enter. Just wait for it to load. As you can see, it's right here. Just go ahead and tap there and wait for it to load. And after you're here, you just need to look at the top right there and tap on my account and just tap on sign in. So after you've signed in, this will automatically help you get the download link. So it's absolutely necessary that you sign up to Norton and you also sign into it if you don't have an account or if you already have an account. So just do that and you will automatically be able to access the download link. So in this way you can successfully install Norton on a MacBook device. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.